guys doing? Teddy Hodges with APsystems. Now, you know me. I'm back on the road. Actually, I'm not. I am at home here in Utah. I've drug out a couple of my solar panels here to show you an amazing new product from APsystems. Now, what do you think that could be? If you guessed the new microinverter that can plug directly into your house, you would have guessed right. Right here, we have the new EZ1 LV. Now, there's a couple awesome features about this new microinverter. It still does the dual modules, like you'll see here. So it's a 2-to-1 micro. But we have a couple different things. It does directly plug right into your house outlet, any standard size outlet. So here's the actual micro. It looks a lot like our DS3s. Same type of wide adapter connector. Our dual input. It also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We'll get into that a little bit later. Now, you're saying, well, how should that plug into my house? Right here. It comes with its own extension cord. As you can see, it's a plug-in. How awesome is that? On one end, we have our Y cable connector. Now, remember guys, when you get these Y cable connectors, this one from the EZ1 or our standard size one, they all have these awesome little plastic clips to keep everything in check. So you got to remove that before you plug it in. Give me a minute and I'm going to hook them up and we're going to see how this works. And last step I'll do is plug this thing in and then we'll download the app. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're getting ready to install our brand new EZ1 microinverter. Now, just like all the other microinverters we have, they have these MC4 connectors. Now, I've already found my MC4 connectors behind my modules. Now I'm going to go and plug those positive and negatives in, just like I would. Now, it's important we hear that click as we click these in. That makes sure that they are fully secured. Now, we have a channel 1 and a channel 2. So I'm going to grab the other two and just repeat that process. Now that's all connected. All we have to do is connect our cord here. I'm going to lower this down. I'm going to grab my cord, remove that safety cap, and plug it in. And hear that click? Now the fun part. I've got an extension cord here plugged into my house circuit. And then I have the EZ1 extension cord. Now here comes the magic. I've got solar power now. That's 1, 2, 3 EZ1 solar from APsystems microinverters. Let's look at the app. It's time to download it. I'm back. We've got our EZ1 LV quick installation guide. As you can see, we've gone through a couple of these steps already outside. We've made the connections. We've heard the clicks on the panels and the bus cable. And we've already got it plugged into our interior house outlet. Now, once we do that, we want to download the installation app. And to do so, you'll grab a mobile device, open up your camera, and then go and scan that QR code. You'll see it pop up a little window here to click on and open up a web browser. And welcome to AP Easy Power. Now, let's click on the appropriate app to download if you're using an Apple or an Android device. AP Easy Power. And we're downloading. Now that we have our app downloaded, let's go ahead and open it. Now with the app open, as you can see, it's not in the appropriate language, unless you can read Dutch. You have a language selection up on that top right corner. Go ahead and click that, and you can see there's several languages that we can choose from. Let's go ahead and select English for today. Now, if this is your first time, you can see that there's a couple different ways to log in. You can sign in with a new account, or you can direct connect. Let's direct connect. Now, you can direct connect to the Bluetooth, and let's go ahead and connect a device. We can
Bluetooth or scan-in option. Let's go to Bluetooth. And we'll allow, as you can see, it pulled up our EZ1 microinverter. And click Connect. This will give us the opportunity to see what data we have. Now, we've had this online for about 1 hour. You can see currently it's producing 213 watts, and each panel is producing a little bit different. It's in normal status, and it's online for this network. We produced about 0.3 kilowatt hours of energy in the last hour.
So we left this temporary setup for a little bit longer, and it produced a little bit more power. I'm going to install this on my rooftop very soon, and I look forward to how it shows up. I wanted to test my third-party app, and it showed the same results. So I'm super excited about this EZ1, as it was truly easy. Thanks, APsystems.